Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the system. Then let's tap on reset options and tap on reset network settings at the top. So now your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So just tap on reset network settings if you're ready, and you have to be aware that you cannot undo this action. So perform this operation only if you're sure. So just tap on reset settings and wait a second, and here we've got the information. We just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.